Hey, welcome guys. I'm gonna add a logo to this WordPress page, this website. You can see it still has WordPress there on top, and on in the header it just has the name of the business. If I go to the bottom, there's no logo here. I'm gonna add a logo in all three of those places right now. And the way I'm gonna do that is by going back to the dashboard, clicking there, going to settings, general, and then I'm going to choose the site icon, which is going to replace that W on top. And the one that I want for that is this. I'll click set as icon. I'm realizing it might not work super great because I have a dark theme on my browser at the moment, but maybe it will. I'll click crop image. It's not actually going to crop the image because I didn't adjust the cropping, and click save changes. Yeah, it's not great, but if I were on a light theme website, it would be great. I can try different colors for the logo in order to avoid that. For now, I'm gonna leave it that way though. Did I save? Yes, I did. Okay, cool. So that hasn't changed this though. The way that we can change that is by going to, so we're using the Astra theme. I could just go to Astra and then customize, or on most other themes, and in fact on this theme I can go to appearance and then click on customize, and that'll take me to the exact same place. And I'm gonna change it in the header, so I could just float over here and click edit to edit the header and add a logo. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna click on header builder, and yeah, I can see everything that's in the header right now. There's the button over there, there's the menu, and then site title and logo. I'll click on that, and then I'll select the logo. And the one that I really want is this one. I'll select it. I'm gonna skip cropping because I don't want to crop this one. Cool. That logo is massive though, so I'm going to reduce the width. I think that's about right. And I'm going to remove that title. The way that I can do that, there should be an option. Is it this? Nope. There's an option here somewhere. Tagline, logo, spacing. No. Go back to general. Let's see. I mean, I could just delete this, but I feel like there's another option. There's definitely another option. Come on, man. You know what? I'll skip ahead. You won't have to watch me look for this thing. I found it. You could just remove the visibility here. Awesome. Now click publish, and while I'm here, I might as well do the footer. So I'll go out of the header settings and go to footer, which is right at the bottom, and then I'm going to click on design. Let's see now, where are these? I shouldn't need to upgrade to add that. I'm sure that I can add that without upgrading. Let's click edit. Come on. I mean, I could add it with some HTML. Of course, that's not really, we don't want to do those kind of things. I might be forced to with the Astra theme. That might be what I'll do actually. Yeah, fine. So to do that, all I'm gonna do is go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm not going to log in. Come on, let's go back. Give me some HTML. I can put in the footer section of my WordPress. website so that I can display a logo at the bottom through the HTML. Cool, let's take that. I don't need the top section. Go back, go into HTML, I'll put it like that. And then over there, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hold down Control Command. Flip, I can't do that. Okay, you know what, I'll save, I'll click publish, then go out. And then go to media and go to the logo that I want to have at the bottom. I want that one. And I'm going to copy the file URL and then go back to where I was, which is in appearance customize. Go back to the footer, go back into the HTML, and then here where it says URL of your logo, I'm just going to paste my URL there. That URL actually got inserted inside of that text. I'm going to remove that text and then I'm going to literally paste it, my URL. Let's see if that works. I'll click publish. If it doesn't work, I'll do it the previous way with text inside of, with the URL inside of text. Maybe we don't need the HTML. Let's go back to customize. I hope you're following. If you're not following, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Just remove that and then click publish. You'll get it. Just try it. You'll get it. Okay, so now we got the logo way too big though. Let's adjust it. Let's go back into customize. Go into footer, go into HTML. Maybe we can reduce the size like that. No, it doesn't do anything. Maybe can we look at this as text? Okay, let me copy this and then go back to here and then say I ended up not using the HTML. I just pasted this in the HTML block and it worked and displays the logo perfectly. Well, not quite perfectly. Thing is, it's a way too massive. I'd like to control the size. Maybe I'll make it smaller actually. Okay, they had put some useful things in for me. So now I can control the width and the height. And I'm gonna make it 100. That's super cool. And I want the HTML to be before the copyright. Actually maybe the other way. Yeah, I think that's cool. And I'll go back and this I want to be like that. I don't want that slash thing. Can we do that? Nah, leave it like that. Let's go back. Maybe we can make the logo just slightly smaller, maybe like 90. Nah, it's actually It's quite small. Let's make 100 and then publish and then go back. This is quite big also. I see this section is quite big because of that. There it is, and it's there. Sorry that this took so long, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, then try it, do it yourself, and if it works, let me know in the comments, and come back to look at another video some other time. Enjoy your day. Bye.